Ah, good morning, guys. Let's hope this is the last of the sickness. Snow's going away. Alright, check it out. Jacket's been hanging here all night, and it's dry until this point right here because of gravity. The water's it's been dripping a bit. And I've retreated the edges where the water dripped off to make sure it's 100% waterproof. Gave a lot of extra waterproofing spray. This stuff right here. Gave a lot of extra spray around the edges here. So here, and especially on the shoulders and on the hoodie and the back. You know, the areas that are gonna get a lot of rain. I'm gonna go hang it out to air dry now. I guess this is a proper good morning. Stoney fell asleep. He hopped on voice chat for a little bit. I got my jacket over here drying in the sun. The sun is nice. There's no wind. It's getting quite warm. There we go. And gonna do a little bit of washing this up and brushing my teeth. See if anyone's up. I think not. Well, people are probably up there just in their own rooms. Spend a lot of time cleaning up in here, sweeping, and just generally cleaning up, scrubbing these on the sides. They were looking like that before. Still need to clean a couple. I'm gonna start boiling some water for tea. Brush my teeth in the meantime. See you in a bit. I'm hanging out with Moss in this courtyard. There's no wind blowing. It's just me speaking to the camera. It's really nice. It was blowing a bit in here, the wind, but this corner is perfect. So we're just gonna hang out here for a while. Jewel joined us. This guy's working on building a roof for that construction, for storing some stuff. I just spilled some coffee. I spilled Jewel's coffee all over the place. God damn it. But it's all good. We're just laughing about it. Oh. Dum, 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 dum. Oj, nej. Ja. Ja. I'm gonna go get my headset and do a bit of editing while these guys are playing. It's nice watching, but I'm like more than 2 weeks behind. I should only be 1 week behind. That's my intention. But yeah. Let's get it done. Alright, I'm ready for editing. Let's check how the jacket's doing. Okay. Oh, it's damn near dry if it ain't already. Let me just pick it up and check. Okay, well, the jacket's properly dry. Let's check how waterproof it really is. Oh wow, that looks pretty good, right? Yeah, I'd say that looks pretty good. Definitely still does get wet. in spots, I believe. Well, let's see. Well, it didn't quite have the desired effect. It's definitely more water repellent, but as you see, it still soaks up water in certain spots. And I made sure to coat this thing like crazy. I don't know, maybe it just needs more product in certain spots. That sucks. That's a lot of money for something that's not exactly waterproof. But who knows, maybe it's because I poured a cup on it and not just, you know, sprinkles of drops. I don't know. But it's not looking good, guys. It's looking like I wasted some money.
I go. Nope. Ui. Double five, double six. Oh. Excellent. No. Skiing. See? That. Yeah.
Så er det bare igen.
And then you got another two.
What? Nå, jeg skal rykke en to.
3. 1, 2, 3.
No.
Now you
Chilling out editing videos. They're hanging out there. Finished editing the video where I went out partying. That's gotta be enough for now. I'm gonna go join the others. Never mind. It's getting way too cold out there. I'm staying in here editing. Alright guys, the girls went home, so it's just me now editing. And oh my god guys, these bumps on my eyelid, I swear they're growing. Gotta get those surgically removed soon. I keep just like massaging them down my eyelid because the doctor told me that they were too far up my eyelid and that they weren't big enough yet. So basically, anytime I touch this eyelid, it's just to do these types of movements to get them into a position where I can have surgery done. I mean, look at my other eyelid. It looks completely normal, I'd say. But yeah. This one is it's not ideal. But yeah, I'm just chilling here, waiting for Moss to get back here. I don't know what he's up to right now. Check out this beautiful sunset. Me and Moss are going out shopping. He should be here any moment. Oh, he's waiting for me. He's in here. Okay, I waved him over here. I think he's coming. Jeg skal lige hente min pant. Jeg glemte den lige. I forgot my bottles. Alright, here we go guys. That's right. I got some bottles here. Let's get some money back. It's a wonderful system we got over here. You pay for the bottle when you buy it, and then you're incentivized to return it to get that money back. Every country should do this for all kinds of plastic garbage. Nej, det er fint. Let's hand in some bottles. I haven't done this in a while. Hey. There you go, money. Let's get it. We got 28. Let's go. That's money. That would have just been turned into garbage in a landfill. Alright, we're done shopping now. Going back home. Moss got a cool place. Sleeping up there. And a nice sound system. This is where I spend so much time hanging out. It's so nice. Having someone to eat dinner with and hang out with most of the days. I appreciate it. The three of us are eating tacos. The cat even got some. and you're eating. Jeg fik ikke just chilling out here at one of the other residents. It's very nice. He's got a big place. I'm always drawn to the fire. I can tell it's about time to get out there and start making some more bonfires, campfires. I miss it. From what I can tell from the weather app, we're gonna get the first 5-6 degrees Celsius nights in about a week. Very exciting. I really hope it holds up, because then roughly 3-4 weeks I should be ready to get out there, start living outdoors again, stay outdoors this time. Alright, I've really done what I can to set myself up. That's why I apologize, guys, for like the last 4 or 5 months being indoor content is really not what I want this channel to be, but I've basically just accepted that Mike died and Dion went home, and I had to figure out what to do next, and it was getting cold and I didn't have the money to leave the country, so yeah, I've just been figuring it out. Instead of wasting my time just living indoors, doing nothing, waiting for the weather to get better, I've acquired money and camping equipment, and I've basically completed my list of all the things I wanted for like an ideal perfect setup. At least what I think will be an ideal perfect setup. Who knows? Maybe the list will change. Maybe there's stuff I'm gonna want in the future. But I'm almost perfectly set up now, and I'm ready mentally, financially. When it comes to the gear, the weather is gonna be ready in a very short time. So I'm just enjoying my final time living here in the commune and preparing myself mentally to start living outdoors every day. Receiving the packages I've ordered, and yeah, we're almost there, guys. Let's go. It's very exciting. I like this music. This was made by the resident. We're chilling out with Paul. So no copyright strike. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. I really hope I'm gonna be able to stay outdoors permanently this time around. I really don't want to have to live indoors again. I mean, sure, if it's raining for like 10 days in a row and I can't find a way out of that, and I don't want to live in a moldy tent, yeah, sure. Well, I'll get inside and get my tent dried and stay indoors for a couple of days. That's fine. But I don't wanna move indoors regularly, you know? It's fine doing it occasionally, you know. I am a nomad. I'm not like an outdoors, exclusive outdoor everyday type of guy. But I do prefer being outdoors. But let's see. It's looking like I already have money saved up to get out of the country. Well, not quite yet, but it looks like it's gonna be coming to me in the future, in the immediate future. Yeah. So I should be able to get out of the country soon. Well, I'm probably gonna stay here over the summer, honestly, all the way up until autumn, and then I'm just gonna leave here when it starts getting colder, go to warmer places, and who knows, maybe I'll find a way to make money abroad and I won't have to come back. Maybe I'll want to come back. Let's see. Well, time to go back to the others. I finished up hanging out at Paul's place. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. And now I'm just preparing some, well, I guess it's like breakfast for A nighttime snack. Rolled oats with sugar and milk. Always hits right. And then some tea. It's pretty good. Let's go.